The introduction of the button operation. Power button. Long press the power button to turn on the gimbal. Long press the power button to turn off the gimbal. Single tap the power button to enter the shortcut menu. Double tap the power button to switch photo or video mode. Function button. Single tap the function button to switch pan mode. Double tap the function button to switch landscape and portrait mode. Triple tap the function button to enter standby mode. Triple tap again to wake up the gimbal. 5 tap the function button to initialize the gimbal. Please make sure the gimbal is stationary on the desktop. The gimbal will be initialized successfully after blue light flashing 3 times. And then single tap the function button to wake up the gimbal. Photo button. Single tap the photo button to take photos. Long press to continuous shooting. Video button. Single tap the video button to start or stop shooting. Joystick. The joystick can control the gimbal to rotate up or down or left or right. Users can slide the joystick to choose options on the shortcut menu page. Trigger button. Press and hold the trigger button to enter lock mode. Release it to quit to the previous mode. Double tap the trigger button to recenter the gimbal. Triple tap the trigger button to switch front and rear camera. Single tap first, then press and hold the trigger button to enter fast follow mode. Focus button. Slide the focus button to control zooming. Button combination. Slide down the joystick and double tap the power button at the same time to clear the Bluetooth pairing. Thanks for watching.